Hello guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. It's quick and simple, so make sure you stick till the end. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up the Snapchat. Now head over to the profile on the top right corner. Now again, tap on the settings icon on the top right corner of the screen. Now scroll to the bottom and then tap on blocked option. Once you tap on it, you can see all the people that you have blocked. Now to unblock the person, tap on the small X and it says, are you sure you want to unblock this Snapchatter? If you want to unblock, then tap on yes button. Now after unblocking that person can send you snaps and messages to you, and just like that you can unblock someone on Snapchat. That's gonna be all for this video, and I will see you in the next one.